Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And earlier, just a little while ago, I made a video about an 8X and above, how you can change the name in any of them. So we're going to take this thin rectangle where it's highlighted. I'm going to right click and rename it and I'm just going to type in thin. But if you're, and I also stated in there that you could change it to a curve in X7 or 8X and above. You could change the shape of this object and it's going to show up there, but it's kind of hard to see. You know, it's just, unless you fill it in, it's just a light color red. Well, if you will expand out your Docker window a little bit bigger, and then right here's a slide bar, and you could slide it. Now, if you have a lot of objects, it probably won't do you much good because you won't be able to see them all, but this way you could slide this thing over and have it quite larger where you could see the item. And also, while we're here and down here working with this, if you have that item selected, instead of hitting delete on the keyboard, and since your mouse is on with your hand, just hit delete and it will trash that item. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.